Hello from Needles. We stopped for lunch here at Subway, Eat Fresh, and we're having a slight problem because we had a late breakfast, so we had a late lunch, which means we're eating lunch when this one should be napping. So we'll see. Yeah, right? So we'll see if he naps at all because he didn't eat at all, so that may be fun. The kids have been pretty well behaved thus far. We've only had one little territorial battle over whose toys are whose and sharing and all that fun stuff. We haven't had to pull out the big guns of the screens and electronics yet. We've been pointing things out as we travel, looking out the window and seeing interesting things. One of the coolest bits, though, is as we were traveling, we saw a lot of black rock. And I pointed out to Prudence and said, "Oh, look, what is this? It looks really neat." And she thought it was burnt. I thought maybe it's volcanic. So since I had my phone, I looked it up. I searched black rocks between Barstow and Needles and came up with Pisgah Crater and Cinder Cone. So it was an actual volcano we were driving past. And I looked that up just in time to look out the right-hand window, and there was the actual volcano. It's not much to look at. It's just a big lump of black rock off the side of the freeway. But it was really neat to say, hey, look, that's a volcano. We're driving past a volcano. So it was interesting how the family road trip has changed a little with cellular technology. And we can actually look up what we're looking at rather than saying, that's interesting. We don't know what it is. So our next leg is off to Gallup, New Mexico. We're going to cross two state lines really quickly. We're going to go over to Arizona as soon as we leave here, and then we'll be crossing the state line into New Mexico probably around 8 o'clock tonight. I expect we will be very tired by the time we get there, so who knows if I'll be able to make an installment, but so far so good. We haven't killed each other or eaten each other yet. But we still have 3 days to go.